Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Choose the page or profile you manage. Start by opening Facebook and selecting the exact page or profile where you intend to publish. This prevents posting errors. Write your message and add images or video. Draft a clear caption, include hashtags sparingly, attach 1 to 5 images, or a single video under 15 minutes to stay within native limits. Use 280 characters or less for best engagement. Aim for concise value. Include a call to action, and preview the post to check formatting and links before continuing. Click the scheduling arrow next to post. After composing, locate the post button and click its small arrow to reveal publishing options. This opens scheduling controls. Select schedule and pick a date. Use the calendar widget to choose a specific day up to 1 year ahead, or pick a weekday for recurring themes. Set time in 24-hour or AM/PM format as needed. Enter the exact hour and minute. Consider peak engagement windows like 09, 00, or 18:00. Then confirm to save. Open Publishing Tools to view scheduled posts. Navigate to Publishing Tools or Creator Studio to see a list of drafts, scheduled items, and published posts in one place. Edit or reschedule before the scheduled time. Click any scheduled entry to change text, attachments, or the scheduled date and time. Confirm edits to replace the prior version. Delete a post if you no longer want it published. If a campaign changes, remove the post entirely or unpublish to prevent accidental posting, and monitor analytics after publication for performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.